Yeah, I mean, that's already been something that even just during the program this year, I found to be like incredible, not just for the founders, but for me as I'm trying to help the founders. So of our 46 accelerators, about half are run with another corporate partner. So we have one running with Barclays, focused on financial tech, with Amazon, focused on voice technologies, with MetLife, focused on insurance. So we have some that have these vertical focuses, and then we have the city programs like Boston or New York or London, where you can be more subject matter agnostic. But what that means is that each accelerator has 10 companies coming through every year. They also have a pool of 100 mentors and investors that work with those companies that then become part of the network that you can introduce people to and reach out to. And all of the other managing directors are extremely collaborative. And are very open to, if you've, I have some of the companies that were in our program a couple were from Canada. They're going back to Canada. And so I'm making sure they're introduced to a managing director who's in the Toronto program. And I know that he'll make sure they get introduced to local folks. So it really becomes a worldwide network of these startup ecosystems.